Hi, welcome to the training on how to get started with the Investment Navigator. My name is Roy, and I will show you how you can connect with 100,000 plus investors and other decision makers internationally in order to raise capital in less time. This is the introduction, and what we're going to cover today is the goals of this training and how you can get started as fast as possible. And we'll talk about why you should use the Investment Navigator. And then I'll give you an overview of the platform. Some general housekeeping. You want to make sure you follow this training step by step. And make sure you join our Facebook group, the investment community. To the right of this video, you'll find a link to join through Facebook. You'll find other like-minded people there, both investors and people that raise money. And you want to make sure you follow the rules and the guidelines for the group. If you don't, I will delete you and ban you from the group. And if you need support, there's a little button in the lower right corner where you can contact us through email or through the chat. And then at the top right corner on the menu, you'll find there's a support page. And it will also explain to you exactly how you can get support, how you can submit support tickets, etc. So what is this training about? Well, like I said, it's about getting you started in the least amount of time. This is an extremely powerful tool. So you don't want to assume that you know everything about the platform. There's a lot of things you can explore, and we will do that in this training to make sure you can actually utilize all the capabilities. So why use the Investment Navigator? You can use the platform to raise capital, to connect with investors and build your own network. And by doing it this way, you'll have complete ownership of the relationships with investors, the contacts. Everything will be yours once you engage with people. And the platform is completely transparent. You'll know exactly what's going on. You'll know all the communication, everything. I talk to a lot of people, and they may hire someone to raise capital for them. They pay $20,000 upfront, and 6 months later, they have no clue whether there was any work being done whatsoever. They've got no meetings, no contacts, and no capital has been raised. You don't want to be in that position, and that's why we built this platform, so you'll know exactly what's going on. And you actually build up your own network that you can use for the rest of your life. And what if you're not ready to raise capital yet? Well, then we'll show you how you can get clients and profit. And it will more than pay for the license cost. I have clients that been with us for many years, and they've used the service to sign up a lot of clients. In addition to the 100,000 plus investors on the platform, we can also help you target millions of other people, mainly business owners, executives, etc., decision makers. But we'll get into that later. And of course, you can also use it to recruit board members, advisors to your business, start getting revenue, and then you can go out there and raise capital. Now I want to talk about what every business that runs any type of marketing or communication should have in their business. And there's 3 parts. And usually businesses get these parts from different sources, and sometimes they don't go well together, or sometimes they don't get all the parts. They may get 1 or 2, and they struggle. There's chaos, there's no order whatsoever. And so this is something we addressed from the very beginning to make sure we have the optimal system in place. We wanted to make sure that you don't need anything else to really have a good flow and organization in the business. So the first thing is you'll need prospects. You'll need potential investors, potential clients, whatever, that you need to be able to engage with. The second is you need some type of software for sending them communication, and that could be emails, etc. And the third is you need something to handle the relationship. And you want to be able to manage and track what the status is of the prospect. So are they interested? Are they not interested? Were they not qualified for what you offer in the first place? Did they opt out from future communication? And what has been the communication between you and the prospect so far? And you want to be able to go back, and then you want to be able to use this data. You want to be able to quickly find the people that are interested or not interested, and then be able to reach out to them again or take some type of action. If you have all these three parts, you'll be successful. You'll have meetings, you'll have sales, and you'll have order and something to build on in the future. You won't need to address this in the future. You'll have everything set up for the long run in the best possible way. And so we've addressed all these things. We don't just offer you a software to do sending, and we don't offer you only a list of contacts, and we don't just offer you a CRM or something like that. Now, these are all three parts. We've got hundreds of thousands of investors and millions of other people that you can reach through our platform, and they will become your very own contacts that you'll have ownership of for a lifetime. And you'll be able to engage with them through campaigns on this platform with just a few clicks. And we'll show you how to get your own customer relationship management system where you can manage the status and the interest of these contacts, and that will integrate directly into our platform so it becomes effortless to manage. Now, on the platform, you're able to build complex flows of communication based on conditions. Are they interested? Are they not interested? Have they connected with you on LinkedIn? Have they replied to your email? Based on all of this, you'll be able to take actions like send them an email, send them a LinkedIn message, or whatever you want to do. And you can build that in our campaign builder. You can set time delays, you can set messages to go out on certain dates, etc. Once you've built campaigns like this, you can add certain lists of people. You may want to add a list of family offices, or maybe you want high net worth individuals in the state of California, or whatever you want to do. You can add them in there and engage with them. Now, I want to give you an overview of the platform so you can easily navigate. Now, this is investmentnavigator.io. If you're watching this video, you may already have signed up. If not, you can enter your email here and click sign up now. Once you've created your account, you'll go through an onboarding process where you can personalize your experience, etc. Once that's done, you'll get to your account. You'll get to the dashboard. And this is where you'll see statistics on all the campaigns you're currently running. So, how many people have entered the campaign, how many people have been messaged, how many LinkedIn connections have been sent, how many people have responded, how many people are interested, how many people are not interested, etc. You'll find it all here. And a graph which will track everything that's going on in all the campaigns. Now let's go to your profile here. This is where you can upload a profile picture for yourself. change your password, or change other user information. You can also connect your Facebook here to the account. And then let's check out billing, account and billing. This is where you manage your licenses. You can buy licenses. You get to the pricing page here. And there's 3 types of licenses. The most common one being the Pro license. And it's $4.99 a month. It will allow you to search investors and people, access their contact details once you've added them to campaigns. And it allows you to run automated campaigns, an unlimited number of campaigns, but the restriction per license is that 150 new people can enter any campaign per day. And you can also list investment deals on the platform so that investors can go in there and find them. And you can view investment deals. This license is what most people will opt for. There's also a cheaper alternative, and that's the basic option. In this case, you can search investors and people, but you can only send 50 messages per month manually over email to them. And you can list your deal on the platform, and you can view investment deals so investors can find you. And then there's the enterprise deal, where you can run unlimited communication. And if this is something you want, you need to apply for a strategy session with us. You simply press contact us and schedule a call with us, and we'll go through that option. And then on the account and billing page, you can also add payment cards. You can cancel your license. You can assign a license that you have to another user so they'll get their own account. Now let's check out the settings page. This is where you connect your accounts. That could be your email account, your LinkedIn, and your CRM, in this case HubSpot. And then you've got the agency panel. If you're raising capital for multiple companies, or you've got multiple companies that want to engage with people, then you may want to set up a portal for each organization, and that will keep things separate. So for each organization, there will be a separate customer relationship management system, and that organization will get the contacts into that system. Each portal will require a separate license, but this is a great way to run things if you're an advisory firm or anything like that. And then let's check out the support page. This video will explain exactly how to get support. You can submit a support ticket here, or you can do it by clicking this button where you can email us and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. And then finally, refer a friend. On this page you can refer people you know, and if they sign up, you'll get a commission. And this video explains exactly how that works. And you can track the referrals that you've sent and see if you've gotten paid yet. And on the left panel, you've got a menu where you can navigate the platform to see statistics, to handle your incoming messages through email, where you can search investors, people, and companies, where you can create lists, and then where you can build your campaigns and the different parts that make up a campaign, and then where you can see investment deals and list your own investment deal. And then finally here is the training on how to get started with everything. And then we got the investment accelerator, which is an advanced training course which is completely optional, but we very much recommend it. If you need help preparing marketing material, you wonder how to best hold meetings with investors, or you've got questions about legal documents, etc., or the rules, then the Investment Accelerator will help you. That's it for this training. I'll see you in the next one.